I'm reviewing for you WhatsApp Pro today, okay? This is a program, a web pro program that is blowing up all over the internet. It's making businesses so much more efficient and your time effectively used. So let's get straight into this. I've got a discount code for you if you stay to the end of the video. So stay tuned, hit the link down below to get involved. Let's do this. Here we are, guys, WhatsApp Pro, okay? It's at wawpro.org. Now, this is a marketing tool, okay? A bulk WhatsApp sender tool that you can use. It's a software that can send bulk WhatsApp messages directly from PC, laptop in a professional way easily. It is based on the latest beta API and it has many amazing features like auto bot reply, WhatsApp accounts connector, and messenger schedule. Now, there is a video that can show you all about this, okay? So guys, go down here and have a look at this video in your own time, all right? It's a very, very interesting video, but what I want to do for you is to give you that brief overview so you know what you're talking about, because I do have that special discount code at the end. So about them, their goal is to efficiently automate the process of sending WhatsApp messages, all right? The simplest way to engage with businesses according to 68% of users. So what does this give? Easily creating and sending personal messages from your computer. You can grab every WhatsApp group member to send them a message you booked Zelda, to automatically send messages from many WhatsApp accounts and multiple accounts, call, reply, and URL buttons, all found on the send button. Software updates are free. Genuine and authorized seller, 100%, okay? It's actually used by more than 2.5 billion people worldwide, WhatsApp is, so this is why you need a tool like this to make it more efficient, okay? Why not make the most of this by advertising your goods, services, and bulk chat sender? I know I use this and it's working really well. I know I use it. I know 5,714 plus customers are actively using it right now. There's 278 basic plan users and 5,436 pro plan users. Guys, I'm a pro plan user and I'll tell you exactly why. With the pro plan user, you get every single feature. I will touch on the price very, very soon. But the features that you're getting is personalized messages where you can actually send customized text and multi-messages to your customers with their name, relevant media such as pictures and included. You're getting import of contacts feature where you can create an uploaded list of clients with their contact information. Bulk messages, like we keep talking about, you can send bulk messages a professional and effective way, okay? It's very easy to communicate with customers if you do this at once. Bulk messages option will send messages at once without spamming them. Turbo messaging, all right? You can avoid delays that could negatively impact your customer by using a turbo messaging option. Well, that basically means it can send it in seconds, guys. You're never gonna miss out on that little thinking space. Number generator, so the tool can actually generate a series of random phone numbers based on provided phone numbers. Filter numbers, so you can use this to filter and narrow down the list of generated random numbers. You can export contacts, of course, generate numbers of other numbers to Excel text file using the export feature. Guys, group contacts. If you want to access group contacts and you're a member of WhatsApp, WhatsApp Pro is the #1 option. That's a fact. Our important feature allows you to bring those group contacts into WhatsApp Pro and send in the report. So using or sending report features to stay up to date to the status of every message you send to your customers. This feature actually provides a report on delivery for every single message. You can have a look at the gallery, guys, and see how user-friendly this is. Let's just open one up. So this is what it looks like. Super, super nice, easy to use, all right? But let's talk about the pricing right here. So for 3 days, you can start this off for free, get 1 license, all access to features, and 3 days for free. That's an incredible free trial. But if you want to go straight into the pro, like I did, and like 5,000 plus other customers did, and eliminate the manual work, you can get it for $89.99. That's a lifetime fee. That's not a monthly fee. That's a one-time lifetime fee, okay? You get unlimited access, all access features, lifetime updates. Just simply click get it. Once you've done that, you need to add in this code. Here we go. If you stayed this far, well done. Let me know in the comments. I'm about to get a discount code. All right, TDP. T for top, D for digital, and P for product, followed by 20. That's gonna get you an extra 20% off, okay? If you wanna hit Litecoin, if you wanna hit with credit cards or PayPal, that's how you can pay, guys. Super easy. Hit that link down below now. There you go, guys. Use that code TDP20 and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. The link down below is gonna get you access to this tool. Let's get going.